Day will come that all people of India should take ration in ration shops. By annihilating economic inequalities. When economic inequalities will be washed out in India, when economic equality will be attained in India, when without economic inequalities, all people should take ration in ration shops. Government of India need to give answer to this. Long live the communist India. Long live the communist revolution.